This song is for those who believe. We are the black, go out there, hang us in trees. Them curses woke me up, show me I'm a son of God. Now I'm trying to make it out of here, this life is hard.
My skin is black upon me, I'm so comely, ain't I? When you see yourself, you looking at the true creator. He told Philip, if you have seen me, then you've seen the Father. Christ is black, so there's no need for me to bother explaining the evidence because it's in the Bible. Your image is in the scriptures, but they have disguised you as pimps, murderers, thugs, and baby mamas. Praise ye the Lord when it comes to beauty, he is the author. The texture of my woolly hair is very unique, but they say it ain't worth the dime, which is crazy to me. The enemy will tan their skin to cause an illusion. We bleach our skin to look like them, you see the confusion. And to my sisters, oh how I love your royal style, and you so beautiful when you go all natural. The only explanation I can give about my nation, they hate us cause they ain't us. It's kinda funny, ain't it? Pure gold, brother, you pure gold. Just let the royalty deep inside of you unfold, cause you are pure gold. Sister, you pure gold. See, there's a beauty deep down inside of you unknown, cause you are pure gold. Brother, you pure gold. Sister, you pure gold. Israel, we all gold. Yes, we are all gold. Pure, beautiful gold. Just let the royalty deep inside of you unfold, huh?
Very shaped and refined as the gold of Ophir. God's righteous servants are here, bright lights blind like chandeliers. Ain't it ever so clear that we made in this likeness? Propaganda of Esau, it deceiveth the righteous, to the point if it were possible he posed a real threat, even so much that he deceiveth the very elect. This fight is fixed, so with God's where I'm placing my bet. An age where people hear the truth and they tend to neglect. My skin I won't regret. Most of my peers they do. Trying to appeal to them when they just wanna be like you. You define beauty, but you ain't never been taught that trait. As a result of that, I swear we subconsciously hate. We came a long way from slaves on the rocky slave ship, just to evolve the blonde hair and the surgical fit. To some this is a dream, I say reality. We once was kings and priests, now niggas all we see.
Pure gold, brother, you pure gold. Just let the royalty deep inside of you unfold, cause you are pure gold. Sister, you pure gold. See, there's a beauty deep down inside of you unknown, cause you are pure gold. Brother, you pure gold. Sister, you pure gold. Israel, we all gold. Yes, we are all gold.